Hey, what's up guys, your boy Butch. On today's episode we have our very special guest, Juca. He's a very good entrepreneur, YouTuber, and a great friend of mine. Today we're going to be taking the cars, driving them on a very special, zigzaggy roads at such high speed. Just take like some badass rolling shots and to see my cars actually rolling behind me or in front of me. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead, buckle up, and let's hit the road. I'll see you guys. Welcome to Imperial TV. Juca! What up, baby?
¿Qué pasa, jefe?
We're gonna go ahead and pick up the McLaren. You should be driving it, of course. But before we actually roll our off, let's go stop by the gas station so we can put some gas in it.
Okay.
Are you ready for this?
I can fuck with this easily. Let's do it. McLaren 600 LT. How many horsepower?
It's about 780 right now.
Humildemente.
It's a sick ass vehicle. You'll see, guys.
Que se arme la machaca. Ya traemos hasta gorrita y todo. Hace mucho no usaba gorra. Es chido usar gorra. Me gusta usar gorra. Espérame un segundo. A su madre, sí estaba casi lleno. ¡Vámonos!
How my day's going.
Los coaches, I know we will be taking this one, but it's Carlos's. Carlos es un perro loco. So let's talk about this Baby P1, eh? Good stuff. I have the keys right here. Do you want to get on my car?
Here. No, I just want to make sure because I want this key's been sitting for too long. But it's all yours.
Es una responsabilidad perronzona. Hasta me voy a voltear la gorra, yo creo, porque se tiene más parte de la chaviza.
This is all yours. On the seatbelt, I have that little buckle thing just to stop. Chingao. You have the key?
Yes, sir. There it is.
Yeah, it sometimes acts stupid as fuck. So bad. I knew it.
Like, if I drive it slow, it's not scraping or anything. I'm gonna go get that. Gasolina, padrino, ahorita venimos. Ahí está, chido. Is it like 488 pista style fast? Maybe, yeah, right? A little bit like in those leagues.
No, it's more.
It's a bit more? A bit more, yeah. It feels similar than when I got into the pista. Uf, se siente cabrón. a fucking beautiful day, as Bono would say. It's a beautiful day. ¿Cómo estás? Si están buscando un lead singer, sé de alguien. Yo soy una mierda para eso, pero para otras cosas, vaya que sí sirvo. Suscríbete. Subscribe. If you're speaking English, subscribe. If you're speaking Spanish, suscríbete. If you're speaking Palestine, ¿cómo se dice suscríbete en Palestín? ¿Hablas palestín? Suscríbete. How do you say suscríbete?
Subscribe on Palestine.
Yeah.
So sorry.
Suscríbete, ya ves, para que lo alivianen, quítenle peso de encima, tiene mucha carga el chavo, ya hasta perdió el cabello. Hola papi, ¿cómo estamos?
See, I don't know this guy is calling sex.
Hey, Bobo, how you doing?
How are you, Papa? You coming to eat?
Yeah, we're gonna be here anyway.
Is that what you do? How come you bring your car?
I know, what's up, buddy? I don't know anything about
Yeah, it was like a pop-up thing. It was a pop-up.
pollen.
Come on, we'll see you inside. He's actually one of my good guys. He runs a lot of Lamborghini activities, so he's pretty cool. Very good guy. Todd, you remember Todd? That's Todd. Yeah, very good guy. Cool.
No.
What you guys think? What you guys think of the place, the cars? Pretty cool, huh? Well, wait till you see the food.
Wait till you taste it.
Well, no. We're gonna see it. I like how it looks before we taste it. You gotta foreplay first with the food. Hey, how was the drive?
Happy. If you ever wanna get rid of that car,
I fucked up, and I fucked up so many times. So I know the first one was like, holy shit, I almost like hit, and it's like, oh my god.
Hey, I thought it was a double line.
Yeah, you thought it was double line, and because my car is so low, I couldn't see.
mucho gusto, güey. Aquí andamos. Emocionados por probar las maravillas que tienen aquí.
Es un placer, estás en tu casa.
Gracias, hermano, gracias.
Bienvenido.
Gracias.
Adelante.
Por favor. Es muy agradable recibirte como cliente, gastas. Gracias.
Dude, I'm so sorry. Like literally my GPS went like this, and then like this, and then like this, and like vete a la verga, way, you know? Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday.
O sea, está chido si estás en tu front porch, a ver, meciéndote. Trust me, it's gonna be a fucking... un gran acierto.
Eso es porque le faltaba azúcar al café.
Exacto.
Claro.
No,
¿Al tuyo también? Tráiganme al chef, le voy a dar un par de sugerencias que van a hacer que este lugar, si de por sí ya pega,
De cucarajillo.
en México tengo uno patentado en el sushi roll. Cucarajillo se llama justamente.
Cucarajillo. That sounds really good.
Es igual pero con Baileys. Mismo pero con otro tanto de Baileys.
Venga. Puta, está bueno. Pruébale, Buch, pruébale. ¿Sabes qué? El pedacito ese de cake ahí, puta, sí estuvo bueno, carajillo.
Es 3D.
Sí, estuvo bueno.
Vergón.
Sí. Muchas veces a poco se nota hasta allá. Papi, gracias, Gracias. Estuvo muy rico, estuvo muy rico. Muchas gracias. Gracias por todo, perro, delicioso, el servicio, la comida, todo.
Muchísimas gracias.
Si vienen a Woodlands,
Campeón, muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias,
Muchísimas gracias. Súper bien,
Muchas gracias. Un
cucina
placer.
italiana de alta qualidad. Vámonos. Gracias, chef.
Arrivederci, grazie mille Juca.
Ya tú sabes.
Chao, Pari.
Suena igualito al tanque, muy parecido.
I want Michael, because Michael's birthday, he wants to go, like, you know, go celebrate with his family.
Of course.
What do you think? Should we just, like, go to the shop and then go from there? Or drop him off, or how do we
I mean, if he wants to go with his family, let's go to the shop, drop him off, and then go to Pasha or something like that.
Let's do that. Let's go to the shop first. Let's go to the shop.
Imperiale!
Hey, record how he starts and all that. Gonna run out of gas. This thing like sucks a lot of gas. It's a full tank to get from Houston to here. No, not a full tank from here to there. So that's Juca when I first met him. It's pretty cool. Viejo! Viejo! Remember the first time I met you?
Yes, yes, indeed. That's a picture.
That's the picture.
When is it? What's the date?
That was, oh shit, I'm sorry.
¿Qué pasó, papá? ¿Qué pasó?
Chingao, I'll go home.
Like 3 years ago. Quiero mucho, Andrea. Qué rico pinche manejo, güey. Qué rico drive, qué rico ride.
The drilling and fucking A. You know.
Ah, siéntelo, papi.
Mine, you can't even hear it. Mine, yours like his is like a V8 muscle car.
Cam.
It's like, mine is like
Like a supercharger?
like it's just high RPM. Oh my God, this ride is a hell of a ride. I'd give it a cup. I mean, I want it. So that's it for today. We had a great time. We had a blast. We ate good. We're blessed, thank God. We drove good. We're home. We're safe. We're all good, thank God. Thanks for my guest Juca, and thanks to Carlos, and thanks to Pablo, and everybody that joined us in today's episode. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Imperial TV. Ciao. Peace.
Bandera, si quieren ver coches como los que están aquí a mi alrededor, suscríbanse a Imperial TV. Es todo lo que les voy a decir. Si les gustan las naves, se tienen que suscribir. ¡Barras!
¡Perro!
¡Ah!